Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I'm Alex, and today I have a very special episode for you. This episode is about one day in my life. I will tell you what I do from the morning until the night. I will use slow English, easy sentences, and the present tense. This story is for beginning level learners. So relax, listen carefully, and imagine the day with me. You can pause the video and repeat the sentences after me. I wake up at 6 a.m. The alarm on my phone rings loudly beside my bed. I don't really like waking up early, but my job starts early. The sun is rising slowly, and the first light touches the window. The sky has soft colors: orange, pink, and light blue. I turn off the alarm and stretch. My bed is soft, and the blanket is light. It keeps me warm during the night, but the room is still a little cool. I sit up slowly. My back feels stiff from sleep. The room is quiet. I hear only a bird outside the window, singing a soft song. I take a deep breath and feel ready to start the day. First, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully, slowly moving the brush over each tooth. Then I wash my face with cool water. The water feels refreshing and wakes me up more. Sometimes I splash water on my neck too. Then I get dressed. I usually wear simple clothes for work, like pants and a shirt. I don't wear fancy clothes every day. Sometimes I choose my favorite shirt. I put on clean socks and shoes. Dressing takes a few minutes, but it helps me feel ready for work. Next, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is bright and clean. There is a fridge, a stove, and electric lights above the counter. On the table, there's bread, butter, fruit, and a carton of milk. Sometimes there are eggs, too, and sometimes cereal. But before breakfast, I make coffee. I love coffee. The smell of coffee fills the kitchen while it brews. While the coffee is brewing, I check my phone. I look at my messages and emails. Sometimes I look at social media for a few minutes, but I don't spend too much time there. Then I eat breakfast. My breakfast is simple: toast with butter and jam, fruit, and my cup of coffee. I sit by the window while I eat. I watch people walking outside and listen to birds singing. It is a calm and peaceful start to the day. At 7 a.m., I leave the house. I put on my jacket because the air is cool in the morning. I say goodbye to my family and walk outside. The street is made of asphalt. My sneakers make a soft sound with every step. I don't ride a horse like people long ago. I don't walk all the way to work. I take the bus. The bus ride is about 30 minutes. I usually listen to music or a podcast while I ride. I like calm music in the morning. On the way, I see people walking their dogs, children carrying backpacks, and workers standing at bus stops. The smell of coffee comes from a cafe. The smell of fuel comes from the street. Sometimes I see cyclists riding past quickly. I watch people and notice small details, like someone smiling at a friend or a dog running happily. At 7:30 a.m., I arrive at work. My work starts at 7:45. The office is in the city center. The building is tall and shiny. The doors are made of glass, and the reflection of the sun makes them sparkle. Inside, computers are on every desk. They make a soft hum. The air is cool from the air conditioner. I check emails and start my tasks. I work on my computer for many hours. Sometimes I join meetings online. Sometimes I talk with my coworkers. My office has a quiet but busy atmosphere. People are typing, talking softly, or moving papers. It is busy work, and my eyes feel tired from the screen, but I keep going. At 12 p.m., I have lunch. I usually bring a sandwich or salad from home. Sometimes I bring a small fruit, like an apple or banana. I eat with my coworkers. We talk and laugh together. We share stories about our mornings or plans for the weekend. It feels good to take a break and relax for a little while. After lunch, I continue working. Sometimes I have meetings. Sometimes I write reports. I make phone calls or answer emails. The hours are long, but I keep going. Time moves quickly when I am busy. At 4:30 p.m., my workday finishes. I feel tired but satisfied with the day. I take the bus home. I arrive around 5 p.m. When I get home, I like to relax for a bit. I sit on the sofa and maybe watch some TV or read a book. Sometimes I check my phone for messages from friends or family. Later, around 6:30 p.m., I make dinner. I like to cook, so sometimes I try new recipes. I cut vegetables, boil rice, or fry meat. The kitchen smells wonderful. After dinner, I wash the dishes carefully. I enjoy a clean kitchen and a quiet evening. In the evening, I spend time with my family. Sometimes we watch a movie together. Sometimes we just talk about our day. Sometimes I go for a short walk outside. The air is cooler in the evening, and the streets are quieter. I see children playing or neighbors talking. Before bed, I take a shower. The warm water feels relaxing. Then I read a book for a little while. Reading helps me relax. I enjoy stories about adventure, friendship, or learning new things. At 10:30 p.m., I go to bed. I try to sleep for 7 or 8 hours to feel rested for the next day. And that is my typical weekday. It is not slow and old like in the past. It is modern, busy, and full of life. Each day has small details and simple pleasures. Thank you, my friends, for listening to English comfortably. I hope this story helped you practice the present tense. Remember, learning English takes time, patience, and practice. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.